Hey, welcome back. And we're making part two, which is going to be really quick. This is quick and easy. I really could have done it in the last one, but I didn't realize, it would be this fast to do. But we're going to do part two of the C4 explosions and affect enemies that are in the game or objects around you. Now, as you can see, I've got a bunch of apple heads here, a bunch of bad apples. And these are all basically ones I don't want to use. I don't know, maybe that little guy over there in the front to the right. I might use him as like a baby bad apple or something like that. But basically, these are all ones that I've gone through that I wasn't happy with. And we're going to kill them. We're going to kill them with C4. Just, now, in this demo, this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to affect them. Okay, which what I did was I put a script on each one called kill me, okay? And in that script, I gave them a float variable called health, and I set it to 100, okay? Now, when this explosion goes off that you saw in the first part, okay, we did the explosion part, the effect. When this explosion goes off, it's now going to do a physics overlap sphere for colliders around it, okay? And then it's going to check to see if any of those colliders have the kill me script on them. And if it does, it's going to set their health down to 0, okay? Which will tell them to just destroy themselves, to disappear. So let's try it out, and then I'll show it to you in code. Boom, now we get this. Now I believe the radius on this check is 15, so should get them all. There it goes. Now they're all dead. Okay, and that's where you would put in like your animations for death, or you could grab the rigid body of the collider and have them thrown against the wall or something like that. But that will be your effect, whatever you want to do to your enemy. So it doesn't really matter. All you need to know is how to do it. So let's see here. All right, the code for the C4 boombox, which is what we created last time. It's put this code is attached to the C4 model that you throw. Okay. What I've done is in the I enumerator, wait begin, which is at the very end of it, I've added this right here. Collider array, which I call colliders, and then it equals a physics overlap sphere. Okay. And that sphere is going to be at the C4's position and go out for 15. Okay. That's the radius of the sphere. And then for each collider, target in colliders, so target is just a variable name. You could call it anything. We could call this C, for example, and then change C down here. And it would still work. Okay, and C over here. And we'll show that by going back into it. But you could call this anything. It's just a variable. So for each collider, whatever your variable is in colliders, we check to see in an if statement if that variable name has the kill me script on it. So if it does, which is why we're checking, we simply type in the variable name we just created, C, dot game object, dot get component, which is going to be the script kill me on that game object. And then we're going to tell its health to be 0. Okay. And the kill me, just real quick, is a public float. It has to be public so that this script can see it. Okay. They're 100, and I check to see in an update if my health is less than or equal to 0, which is going to be equal to 0 when this goes off. Destroy game object. Okay. And that's it. So you put whatever effect you want here, but the main thing is you're checking to see if my health is less than zero, and this is making it zero by exploding. Okay, so save all that, and then we've changed our name target to C. So let's just go back and see it work again. Doesn't matter what you name it. Okay. All right, apple heads. Drop one of these, and see you later. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, very simple. They're gone and dead, and made room for my new bad apple, which is actually terrifying, and I love him. So you'll see him soon enough, I'm sure. Um, but that's it for this. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope I didn't leave anything out. I don't think I did. Like I said, they've each got the kill me script on them right here. Each one of them has that. All right, and like I said, the C4 has a C4 boombox script on it that you throw, and that's right here where we are now doing the check for enemies and doing something to them if we find them, which is reduce their health, and make sure that you do the if statement, and that way you don't get any null reference exceptions. Okay, you're gonna need to make sure they have that script on them before you try to access and change things on it. And that is it. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again real soon with another one. Until then, make sure you subscribe and like it, and peace out.